Good day, everyone. In our previous chapter, we explored the key stakeholder in MICE events, the planners, sponsors, suppliers, participants, and then the government, and learned that each plays a unique role. Effective communication and collaboration among these stakeholders are essential for a successful event. While challenges like conflicting priorities, budget constraints, and communication gap may arise, handling them well can lead to a stronger partnership and better outcomes. Moving on to chapter 4, we now focus on the starting points of every event, the event conceptualizations and objectives. So this is where we ask important questions such as what kind of event are we creating? What are we doing it and what do we want to achieve? So creating a strong event concept give us a clear vision that guides all aspects of planning, from venue selection to activities in marketing. At the same time, setting clear objective ensures that our decisions align with event's purpose and provide measurable benchmark to evaluate success. So to help you visualize this process, imagine you are planning a wedding event. Think about the couple's preferences and this guest experience and the goal of this celebration. What theme would reflect the couple's personality? How would you organize the schedule, select the venue, and plan activities to make the day memorable? So, by using this wedding scenario, you can better understand how a clear concept and well defined objective act as a roadmap, keeping the entire planning process focused, organized, and effective. Now, let's proceed to the understanding event goals and objectives. So, it is essential for organizing any successful event. Event goals represent the big picture of the main reason for holding the event. They answer the question why the event is being held. Objectives, on the other hand, are the specific, measurable steps that help achieve the goal. They answer how the goal will be accomplished. Both work together to keep the event organized, focused, and successful. For example, in planning a wedding, the goal might to celebrate the union of the couple and create a joyful, memorable experiences for family and friends. So the objectives would include booking a church ceremony and hotel ballroom for 150 guests, arranging catering with a three-course dinner and wedding cake, setting up a floral theme with white and pastel pink decoration, hiring a photographer and live band, ensuring the budget stays within 500,000 pesos. So think of this way. The goal is the dream wedding, and then the objectives are the checklist that turns that dream into reality. Now, so one of the most effective ways to set event objective is by using the SMART framework, which ensures that goals are clear and achievable. For the specific objectives are clearly defined and focused. For example, book a 200 set a seat hotel ballroom with a garden view for a wedding. Measurable objectives allow progress to be tracked, such as send out 150 invitations and confirm at least 120 guests. Achievable goals are realistic with the available budget and resources, like hire a 5-piece live band within a 50,000 budget. Relevant objectives align with the purpose of the event. For instance, choose a floral theme because it reflects the couple's love story. Then finally, time-bound objectives has a clear deadline, such as finalize the catering menu 2 months before the wedding date. So using smart objectives helps keep any event on track. So without them, we will risk overspending, running late, or missing important details. Now, event goals represent the big picture of what we want to achieve, and they can be illustrated even in the context of wedding. For example, a goal to increase brand awareness in a business event could be a product launch to reach more people, while in a wedding it could mean creating a celebration that guests remembers and talk about. A goal to enhance customer loyalty might involve company rewarding clients, whereas in a wedding it could be making guests feel appreciated and part of the couple's love story. Positioning the company as market leader in business could be showcased through a conference demonstrating innovations. Similarly, a couple may want their wedding to stand out as a unique, such as destination or theme weddings. So the goal is to promote a destination for tourism, can translate to couples choosing a beach or heritage site to celebrate, while also highlighting the location. Finally, supporting industry collaboration is a at the trade shows is a show is a mirrored in weddings. So when the couple brings together different suppliers, caterers, stylists, musicians, planners to collaborate for essential or for a seamless event. In short, goals define the overall purpose, like celebrating love and bringing people together in a wedding, while objectives break down the steps needed to achieve that purpose. For crafting effective event objective is essential for ensuring an event's success, and using a wedding context make it easier to relate. So for instance, an objective to secure 300 pre-registered participants in a business event translate to finalizing 150 confirmed guests RSVPs within 4 weeks for a wedding. A financial goal like raising 1 million through ticket sales can be mirrored in wedding by staying within a 500,000 budget, while securing discount from suppliers such as caterer, stylists, and florists. Objectives that aim to achieve a 90% of guests enjoy the food and program, which can be achieved through varied menu options and interactive games. Business objectives like generating 100 new leads can take the form of strengthening family and communication or community ties by reconnecting with at least 20 relatives or friends during the celebration. Finally, a goal to reach 5,000 social media shares can be adapted by encouraging guests to post at least 200 photo or video using the couple's wedding hashtag, such as Forever One and Maria, for example. So whether for wedding or MICE events, objective should always follow the SMART framework, like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Because while goals set the vision, objectives tell us exactly how we will know if the event is successful. So the event team plays a crucial role in making any celebration, including wedding, cohesive and memorable. A strong team provides a unifying concept. For example, a rustic garden wedding ties together the decor, attire, and invitation under one consistent style. It also creates an emotional connection with the audience, like a fairy tale wedding. It allows guests to feel like they are part of the couple's love story. Additionally, the team reinforced the purpose and identify of the events, such as travel the world, like wedding reflecting the couple's shared passion for travel. So a well-chosen theme also enhances message retention and event recall, making events like Juan and Maria's beach wedding easily memorable because of its unique and consistent style. In short, an event theme acts like the personality of the event, guiding every decisions from the color palette to the music playlist and helping make the celebration unforgettable for everyone. So a strong event team has several key characteristics that make it effective and memorable. First, it should be aligned with the event goals and target audience. For instance, a formal black tie wedding conveys elegance, while a rustic garden theme suits a couple who loves nature. Second, a strong theme is memorable and creative, like Great Gatsby, like in 1920s wedding, where guests dress in vintage glam, leaving a lasting impression. Third, it must be consistently integrated across all elements, from decor, invitations to attire, even the venue, such as beach wedding where the colors, decor, invitation, and seafood dishes all reflect the seaside vibe. Finally, a strong theme evoke the desired emotions, making guests feel romance, fun, elegance, or excitement. For example, a fairy tale wedding creates wonder and romance, making guests feel like they are part of a magical story. The event format is essential for structuring the guest experience and serve as the blueprint for how the event will be delivered. It defines how the event takes place, such as shared ceremony followed by a receptions versus a simple wedding at the city hall. So the format also determines the delivery mode, whether in person, virtual, or hybrid. So for example, during the pandemic, some weddings were hybrid with few guests on site while others joined via live stream. Additionally, it is determines session types and interaction levels, shaping the flow of activities and guest engagement. Traditional wedding may follow church rites, dinners, speeches, and dancing, while modern formats can include games, photo booths, or live band interactions. Finally, the format consider the event tone and duration, setting the mood and length of the celebration, such as formal evening black tie, wedding lasting 6 hours versus a casual morning garden wedding lasting 3 hours. In essence, the event form at decide whether the wedding feels formal or casual, long or short, traditional or modern, shaping the overall guest experience.